Fastinflow offers the best service by integrating your bank vouchers and financial statements into Tally. It offers numerous options to import bank entries into Tally in various completely distinct formats. There is a wise option for voucher sorts between receipt, payment, and contra. You will import bank statements with a variety of Tally fields that are optional, such as narrative, instrument number, instrument date, reconcile data, etc. In a matter of minutes, import n numbers of data. A user-friendly interface that is simple to use for beginners. Time-saving and cost-effective. Data transport is secure, and there is no data loss. Support for all Tally versions. The customer care system is extremely responsive and quick. Cloud-based, allowing for accessibility from anywhere at any time. In just a few clicks, the Fastinflow software can import all types of ledger masters, item masters, sale vouchers, purchase vouchers, bank statements, receipts, payments, journals, commission settlement information from e-commerce, payroll data with worker masters, attendance data, and payroll vouchers. I might want to advise you to use that software right away, and trust me, you'll be a loyal and content customer after that.